Hello traders, Jason here with swinghigh.com. It is Wednesday, June 15th, 2011, and this is a recap of my trading day today. It's almost 3 p.m., and I called it a day about an hour ago because I had a sort of a weird trade that was a windfall profit that kind of got me excited. So after that, I decided to stop trading. I'll talk about that in a minute, but here I took a trade in Best Buy this morning, a long trade right around here, around 30.50 area. Rode it up for a while, and then on this weakness, I just got out for pretty much no loss, no gain. Just the broad market was really tanking there, and I couldn't see myself holding any longs, so got out of that one. No big deal. Research in motion. This morning, there was a little bit of hype about how it's almost a sure thing that they're going to beat on earnings tomorrow. Well, first of all, I mean, you should never hold a position going into earnings. However, with so much weakness in this one, and the fact that I've taken so many profits off the table already, I'm willing to hold 100 shares short into the close today and after the announcement tomorrow. Basically just as a let's see what happens type bet. My profits will make up for anything. I figure even if it gaps up 10% here, I'll still be profitable overall. Maybe not tomorrow, but overall on this trade. So I'm willing to take a bet. And part of my philosophy on that one is if so many people think it's such a sure thing to beat on earnings, can there really be any upside surprises on this one? Maybe we'll get a pop, and then it'll just be a reason or a means for people to just sell out of their positions at a slightly higher price. I don't know. We'll just have to see for tomorrow. Normally, I wouldn't condone holding into earnings like this, but I figure it's a little bit of a speculative bet. I'm just gonna. It's exactly that. It's a bet. I'm just gonna see what happens, and I'll be quick to cut it if it's really not working for me tomorrow morning. But if it is, then great. I'll just jump back on the short train. So that's enough about RIM. Let's see. Other trades I made a couple quick little short trades in low. Never really got the movement I was looking for when I made the trades, even though it did grind lower on the day, but very slightly. I ended up losing about $150 on low today. Just a couple little chop outs. Nothing too significant. In general, I should probably avoid stocks like low. I'll bring in the level 2 here. It's pretty thin. Trades good volume for the most part, but it jumps around a lot, and it's tough to trade. So day trading, I should probably avoid stocks like low for the most part, unless it's a momentum trade, but I can't really swing trade that intraday. So let's talk about that windfall trade I mentioned earlier. This is crude oil futures right here. And this is the entire day pretty much. There wasn't really much trading early this morning, but around 8 it kind of picked up. Probably a normal thing for futures. Not too experienced with futures, and I don't know. I wasn't really watching this one too much. I just knew that it had a big technical bear flag on it, and today around 1:30, I was watching Twitter, and ZMoose12 or Zach Musso, who's the I guess the founder of YoungGunsTrading.com, made a tweet about the bids drying up in crude oil futures. And normally I wouldn't do this kind of thing, but knowing that Zach is a specialist in crude, I took a one contract short. Accidentally, I took it long at first. Very quickly got out around 95.80. I switched my position to short and covered at 94.50 for a quick $1,300 profit. So I stopped trading after that because that was kind of exciting, and it wasn't a great trade by any means. So thanks for being a part of swinghigh.com. I'll talk to you later.